Hey, it's Rachel with WTI, and this is PiperWai deodorant. This is a natural deodorant. I really like this stuff. It has activated charcoal in it, and I find that it works really well. I like the packaging. I just think it's a different shape from a lot of typical deodorants. Take a look. The smell is described as being gender neutral. I would totally agree with that. I like to use it. My husband likes it, and I'm not even sure the specific scent that I'm smelling. It smells really clean. It smells like essential oils. Some of the notes that I think I'm picking up on are what are in here, which is tea tree oil, clove leaf, rosemary leaf. I think those are some of the scents that are coming through. It smells really nice. I'm really impressed with all of the natural ingredients in here, and I find that it works all day long. Another thing that I like is it doesn't stain my clothing as well. So if you're looking for a natural deodorant that actually works, I would highly recommend PiperWai. I think it's a great deodorant. I really like it, and that's my point of view.